Today's topic in pediatric health series is approximate anthropometric values by age. The word anthropometric was coined by a French naturalist, Georges Cuvier. It was first used by physical anthropometrologists in their studies of human variability among human races. What is the word meaning of anthropometric? It is a scientific study of the measurements and proportions of the human body. The core elements of anthropometric are height, weight, head circumference, and body mass index. Assessment of these anthropometric values are done. The weight. The weight of the child is usually taken in a nude state or a minimal light clothing state. It is usually done on an electric type of weighing scale. Spring balances are less accurate. The weighing scale should have a minimum unit of 100 grams. It is important that child be placed in the middle of weighing pan. The weighing scale should be corrected for any zero error before measurement. Length is recorded for children under 2 years of age. Hairpins are removed and braids undone. Bulky diapers should be removed. The child is placed supine on the rigid measuring table or infantometer. The head is held firmly in position against the fixed upright headboard by one person. Legs are strengthened, keeping feet at right angle to legs with toes pointing upward. The free foot board is brought into firm contact with the child heels. Next comes the child stands upright, heels are slightly separated and weight is borne evenly on both feet. Heels, buttocks, shoulder blades and back of head are brought in contact with vertical surface such as wall, height measuring rod or stereometer. Head circumference, chest circumference and mid-upper arm circumference all are measured by using a non-stretchable tapes. In head circumference, head ornaments are removed and braids are undone. Using a non-stretchable tape, the maximum circumference of the head from the occipital protuberance to supraorbital ridges on the forehead is recorded. The cross tape method is used using a firm pressure to confirm circumference is measured at the level of nipples midway between inspiration and expiration. The cross tape method as recommended for head circumference measurement is used for measuring the chest circumference. Mid upper arm circumference. To measure the mid upper arm circumference, the first mark a point midway between the tip of acromion process of scapula and the olecranon of ulna while the child holds left arm by his side. Thereafter, the cross tape is used for measuring the circumference. It should be ensured that the tape is just tight enough to avoid any gap as well as avoid compression of soft tissue. Now, the first I am going to explain is approximate anthropometric values by age, in which the first I am going to explain is the weight per kg. At birth, the weight is around 3 kg. At 6 months, it is around 6 kg. At 1 year, it is around 9 kg. At 2 years, it is around 12 kg. At 3 years, it is around 15 kg. At 4 years, it is around 16 kg. Next is the length, which is in length or height, which is in centimeter. At birth, which is around 50 centimeter. At 6 months is around 65 centimeter. At 1 year, it around 75 centimeter. At 2 year, it is around 90 centimeter. At 3 year, it is around 95 centimeter. At 4 year, it is around 100 centimeter. Head circumference, which is also mentioned in centimeters according to age. At birth, it is around 34 centimeter. At 6 months, it is around 43 centimeter. At 1 year, it is around 46 centimeter. At 2 year, it is around 48 centimeter. At 3 year, it is around 49 centimeter. And at 4 year, it is around 50 centimeter. The circumference of chest is about 3 cm less than the head circumference at birth. The circumference of head and chest are almost equal by age of 1 year. Thereafter, the chest circumference exceeds the head circumference. Body mass index, the formula to calculate the BMI is weight in kg divided by height in meter square. BMI is primarily used to assess obesity. BMI at or above 95th percentile for age or more than 30 kg per meter square is obesity.